Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and she is my wife Khushbu Singh. So guys, this is the chain speaking program. So chain speaking means I will tell a story where I end, she has to start the same story. She can take the story anywhere. Where she ends, I have to start from there, and it has to be just a fake story, guys. So without any further ado, let's get started everyone. Okay, shall we? Okay. Last month, I was in my village and it was around 7 o'clock in the evening, and I thought that I should go to any nearby restaurant to have a kind of delicious food. So in order to do that, I started my car, and the nearby restaurant where I wanted to go was approx 10 kilometers far from my village. I started driving. So when I covered 5 kilometers, after that I saw that the road was absolutely, secluded, I would say. There were a lot of trees, but not any single vehicle was passing. And suddenly it started drizzling. I was in my car and thinking like, shall I go back to my village or I should go ahead? Suddenly I saw that a lady came in front of my car and she was wearing red sari. She had long straight hair. So seeing the lady, I started honking so that she can move. Then
I started honking, but she was not moving and she was not giving any response. She was just stand still. I just thought, what happened? Why she's not moving? So I just got down and went there to check. But suddenly she got disappeared.
Okay.
Then I just got little scared and I started thinking that it was my illusion or what. Because in the car I was able to see that lady, but when I got down she was not there. So again I sat down in my car or started
moving.
Yeah, started moving towards the market or restaurant where I was going.
Okay.
Then
okay. So I started moving towards the restaurant where I wanted to go, and I was scared at the same time just because a lady had disappeared from the road. So I started speeding up my car. Okay. I just wanted to reach that restaurant as soon as possible. Suddenly what happened, I could see in the mirror that a lady is sitting on the back seat. I just turned back and there was nobody else. Again I started driving so fast, I just wanted to reach the restaurant as soon as possible. Then what I saw that again the lady was just in front of me. I had to apply brake then. Sab jhoot hai. Then
I applied brake and as well as I closed my eyes being scared. My heart was beating very fast. After a few seconds, I just opened my eyes and that lady was not there. I thought this is my illusion. Maybe I watched so many horror movie or serials. That's why it's all in my brain. Nothing is there. Then I decided to come back home. Then.
Okay, so I decided to come back to my home. I turned my car. I started going back to my home. I reached my home. I parked the car. Having parked the car, when I entered my bedroom, I was lying down and I was thinking the same. Fan was moving and I was just looking at, that the circle one of the fan. I was just looking and suddenly I could see the face of that lady at that center. And seeing the face, I was scared. I just ran out of my room then.
I went to my parents' room and I asked that I'm little scared. Can I sleep here? They allowed me. And I was just lying on the bed. I couldn't sleep because I was very much scared. Suddenly, I saw on the window and behind the window, outside of the window, that same lady was staring on me.
Okay.
And just at that time, I was just freezed.
Okay.
And I couldn't understand what to do. I just covered my head and started chanting some mantras and all so that I can save myself.
Okay.
Then.
Fine. So as I started chanting some mantras, so my mother woke up and she asked me, "Hey, what happened? What happened?" Then I thought, shall I say this to her or not? She might start saying that this is nothing. Then anyhow, I mustered some courage and I said, no, it's nothing like that. You just sleep. She slept, and I also just lay down on the bed, but I felt like going to washroom. And I thought, my God, now how can I go? Because I just saw outside of the window there was the same lady and she was staring at me. Now how can I go? How can I go? And the bathroom was quite, far from that room. It was not attached to that room. Anyhow, I encouraged myself. I mustered some courage and I went outside. When I was moving towards the bathroom, I could hear that a lady is laughing. She's just laughing. I could hear that. And I thought, now shall I go back to my parents' room or I should go towards the bathroom then?
I ran back to my parents' room. I thought I should wake my mom up so that she can come with me to the washroom. But I was hesitating that what she will think about me. I'm so much timid. So I just went back on the bed and just covered myself and just started chanting the mantras again.
Then, so it was morning, okay? So when it was around 7 o'clock in the morning and my mom woke up and she asked me to get up. I just got up, but I was down with fever. Okay, it was really high temperature. My mom checked it and she said that it is more than 100. Let's go to doctor. I figured out that this fever is because of that lady, that ghost. So I said to my mom everything, okay? And she said that, why didn't you tell me at night? I said, Mama, I was quite hesitating and all. Then she said that, okay, let's go to any exorcist. So we went to any famous exorcist and the exorcist gave me the talisman and said that now always wear this talisman on your hand and never go somewhere when the place is isolated, especially at night. I said, okay, thank you. Finish. So guys, you saw, we just created anything. Why we are making such videos, guys? Just to teach you, just to tell you that you can also start your practice at your home if you have any partner. If you don't have any partner, don't worry. You can talk to yourself. You have to play the characters of two people. This is Chinese speaking program, especially for fluency in English. So stay connected. I will come with another video. So see you in another episode, guys. Thank you very much, everyone.